We create, we care, we can. These are our values. The safety and health of our employees, as well as our business partners, is our #1 priority. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented us with numerous challenges. At Bilfinger, we have established a comprehensive set of measures for our workplaces. The steps covered in this video are applicable throughout the Bilfinger Group. Please note that additional extensive measures have been implemented locally by our operating units. If you or anyone in your household feels unwell with a high temperature or fever, has a new persistent dry cough, or displays any other COVID-19 symptoms, you must remain at home. If you feel unwell while at work, inform your line manager or supervisor and return home immediately, where you must then self-isolate. In case of infections, traceability is important. When you arrive at your workplace, there may be new rules for recording your attendance. Site management will explain the new requirements where applicable. Keep at least 2 meters apart wherever possible, including in corridors and stairways. Do not congregate in workrooms, at workbenches, or in other areas where people socialize, such as around coffee machines. Avoid using elevators whenever possible. If it cannot be avoided, no more than 2 persons should use the elevator at a time, depending on the size of the elevator. Do not eat in unauthorized areas or in canteens, unless social distancing measures are in place, supported by an appropriate risk assessment. Staggered break times may be required. If you work in an office, eat lunch at your desk or away from others. If an area is congested, do not enter until others have vacated the area. Obey all signage and distance markers provided, and please be patient when queuing. Minimize in-person meetings by using online conferencing, email, or phone calls whenever possible. Consider staggering staff briefings to enable social distancing. If in-person meetings are required, these should be kept short and held in a meeting room where people can sit at least 2 meters from each other. All rooms should be aired regularly. When possible, walk, cycle, or drive to work. Do not car share. If you have to use public transport, keep your distance from other passengers and always wear a face mask. Prevent germs from spreading. Cough and sneeze into a tissue and dispose of it in the bins provided. If no tissues are available, cough or sneeze into the crook of your arm. Wash your hands regularly and thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If there are no hand washing facilities, use hand sanitizer. Avoid personal contact whenever possible, especially shaking hands. And try not to touch your face. If you are required to wear a face mask, please do so not only for your protection, but also for the protection of others. These steps are the minimum standards. Please ensure you comply with local guidance. If in doubt, do not take risks. Talk to your supervisor or line manager. We welcome any additional suggestions or ideas to further improve our enhanced health and safety controls. Let us work together to ensure we continue to provide a safe working environment for our employees and business partners. Stay safe and stay healthy.